this is Heather Fun About, and in this particular video I am doing a scratch test for Micromax canvas Hue AQ5000. The purpose of this video is not to destroy this smartphone for this fun's sake. This is just to tell you guys how durable the screen of this smartphone is. When you are typing a message, you tend to hit the screen with your nails. Sometimes, not always, I do hit the screen with my nails sometimes, so you may also do that. But if in that case, will this smartphone survive the scratches from the nails? So let us now go ahead and scratch this smartphone surface with the nails I have on my hand, that is my fingernails. So I am doing that right now. I'm using my forefinger and using my nail of the thumb finger, and I'm scratching this one. I'll just hold it here. So now we'll then see if this one takes all these scratches, or just these prints of the nails that are falling on this smartphone go away. Now you can see here nail prints on there. There are a lot of fingerprints on this screen. You can see I have tried to scratch it really hard. So now I have to see if these are scratches or it's just a plain screen once again. Well, some do survive. I have to rub it here. Well, there is a lot of fingerprints now, but no scratches to be found anywhere. This is something I do not like about Gorilla Glass screens. They tend to take a lot of fingerprints, and man, damn it, it's really too hard to clean it off. Now all the fingerprints gone, sort of. Now let's use the keychain to scratch the surface, and let us see if it survives this one. Well, the same way it had taken the nail prints, it is taking the key prints, sort of. Well, you can see there is a lot of imprints of this key. I don't know if it takes any scratches or not. Let's clean this up and see. Are there any scratches? No, but a lot of fingerprints. Very bad, Gorilla Glass. You should not do like that. You should be a good boy and do not capture fingerprints. That's very bad. Now let's move to the knife thing. This is the last thing that I'm going to do, and this is the biggest thing that I'm performing. This knife is really sharp. It will cut my finger, so if I have to be careful with this knife, it is really sharp. And let us scratch generally. 1, 2 and 3. So it is taking scratches really well. It is also handling the abuse of the smartphone. Look, I am pressing it with the tip of the knife, which is actually the sharpest part here. So I have to really see if this has really put scratches on the surface or not. Go away. Now I'm going to speed things up. Let's cut some vegetables. Now let's get to the last point and see if there are any scratches or not. Are there any scratches? Oh boy, I can see scratches from knife. Let's wipe this off again and let us see once again if there are scratches or not. Sort of tensed atmosphere here. Well, there are something left. Oh boy, are they scratches? I think yes. I put some scratches on this one. So it cannot handle knife. Moto E did, this one did not. You can see. Very bad. It's taking a lot of fingerprints. So the final conclusion, don't use knife on Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000. You can use it on Motorola Moto E 2nd generation, but oh boy, don't do it. In the end, I have to say only one thing. The performance of the screen of Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000 with knife was not impressive. It got some scratches which are clearly visible to me, one or two. Okay, here, it has a lot of fingerprints, and in this fingerprints it is really hard to see if it is dangerous or not, but I could see that there are some imprints of knife still left. It survived the keys test, it survived fingernail test, but not the knife. Anyhow, nobody is going to use knife with their smartphones.